What's up, you guys? It's your girl Queen D, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and of course hit that bell so that way you get notified when I upload something. And for those that's been watching me from day one, you truly is the best. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being there. And for those that's not subscribing, like, why coming to my channel if you're not gonna subscribe? That's like going to the store and you forgot your wallet at home. Yeah, so subscribe, and let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my hair tutorial, which you guys are already used to my hair tutorials, but this time it's gonna be on a different texture hair. This client actually have curly hair. Her hair is very puffy. I've done it on straight hair before, on relaxed hair before, but this one is actually natural thick curly hair. And of course my client's hair is very puffy, very curly, and I had to comb it out, so that's why it looks very frizzy like that. But she has beautiful hair, and I'm pretty much gonna be showing you guys how I do the box braids on her hair and how I pretty much braid. And of course I'm braiding with nails, you guys. That's kind of like something that a lot of people don't do, but I braid with or without nails. So pretty much, of course, I need comb, rubber bands, and the hair that I use is jumbo braid Bobbi Boss hair. And the color she got, I believe it's a 1B. So yeah, you guys, pretty much that. And then I believe I also got new growth oil that I'll be using as well, but that's for her roots, so that way her scalp will not as dry. Yeah, you guys, so pretty much that's it. And then of course at the end of braiding her hair, what I'm gonna be doing is dipping her hair in hot water, so that way that the tip of the hair is actually sealed. It's not gonna braid, it's not gonna unravel or anything like that, so that way it's secure. That's why I'm gonna actually burn the tip of the braided hair. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much. Of course I have to explain to you guys everything, because I'm doing a voiceover. I'm not gonna be talking while I'm doing her hair. So Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.